How to use form in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use form in ClickUp. If you're already familiar with tools like Google Form or other online form builders, you will be happy to know that ClickUp also offers a built-in form feature. This is extremely useful if you are working on tasks, projects, freelance works, or even school assignments that require collecting response from other people. So let me show you how it works. So if you want to find the form feature, you can just click view here and we'll find list, which is here, already here, and Gantt, calendar, doc, board, and so on. Also, you can find form here, but it's not clickable. As you can see, form can be added at the everything level. Please go to space, folder, or list to create a form. So basically, you cannot add the form here. You have to choose the space or folder. So this is my space. I'm gonna choose this space, theme space, and I'm gonna go to view here and then click form here. And then you can choose the type of form. You can choose feedback form, project intake, order form, AT request, job application. Also, you can start from scratch. So let's say I'm gonna choose feedback form. I will ask people to add feedback for my product, let's say. And then where do you want submission save? You can choose the submission save where. I'm gonna choose in project one. So this is the start page, and this is the end page, and this is the start page. As you can see, there are the field they already filled here. And let's start with the cover. If you want to add cover, you can just click cover here. But as you can see, this feature isn't available on your current plan. You can upgrade if you want to add cover. And then I'm gonna leave it as it is for the feedback from description. And then if you want to edit the message, you can just click it and you can edit the message and type of topic of feedback. You can edit it if you want, tell us about your experience, and then maybe you want to add more question or field. You can just click add question here. And then maybe I'm gonna ask them to add their number. I'm gonna choose number here, number. So I'm gonna ask about their phone number, just like that. And then click create, and it will edit your form, and it will edit the phone number field to your form. And as you can see, you can choose to make it required or not. So let's say I'm gonna add more question, maybe about email, maybe email. So I'm gonna choose short text. I'm gonna short text and text email, then just click create. So yeah, I think it's enough. So I can have their topic of feedback and the experience and phone number and email. Maybe one more for the name, 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 click create. And then I'm gonna drag it to the first, name, this one, and also the phone number and email. And then email, I'm gonna drag it to this one. I think it's good. So this is the start page, and for the end page, you can choose, the oops. So you have to upgrade if you want to change the end page. Okay, so if you think it's good enough, you can go ahead to settings. So as you can see, you can choose the create task in. I have choose project one, and then assign task two if you want to add someone to assign. You can also apply template, but you have to upgrade. And then submit and setting if you want to redirect it or not. It's up to you. And then the layout, you can choose one column or two column. I'm gonna choose one column. So let's say if two column, is it available or not? It's not. So yeah, just let you know. So if you want to make it two column, you know you have to upgrade. And for the color, you can choose the theme, light. Oops, you have to upgrade it if you want to change it to dark, you know, you have to upgrade it. And then for the primary color, let's say I'm gonna choose blue. So yeah, wow, you need to upgrade also. Okay, I think for the setting it's enough. And then for the preview, so this is the preview. This is the page the responder will see like this. If you want to add something or edit something, you can just back to build, then you can edit it. I'm gonna make it like this, and as you can see, there is zero response because I haven't shared it yet. So I'm gonna click this one to see the page. As you can see, this is the page. I'm gonna try it. This is just for example, you know, and then click submit, and this is the end page. So let's see if it's update. Let's refresh it. And as you can see, there is one response. I can click it and we'll find my response. This one, the response, good. So yeah, this is the response, good. And this is the custom file. This is the data. So I think that's it. You can explore more. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.